In this video, we're breaking down when you should actually start applying to data jobs, why most people get it wrong, and how to avoid the biggest mistakes that keep beginners stuck. Most people believe they need to be fully ready before they start applying. They assume they need to achieve Jedi level mastery in tools like Python, statistics, SQL, and Excel before they even start applying. Meanwhile, half the job postings just want you to know how to make a decent bar chart. But this mindset delays the process. Once they feel ready, they've already lost months or even years. Let's fix that. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ian, a self-taught data analyst, and this is a place where we dive into tools, strategy, and tech to help you level up your skills. Whether you're aiming to become a data analyst or just exploring it. First, let's talk about the harsh truth of hiring timelines. Data jobs in themselves take a long time to land just due to the whole process. They could take anywhere from 3 to 6 months and sometimes even longer. That means if you wait until you're ready, you're already months behind. You need to factor in interview rounds, rejection, and the sheer amount of applications that are needed to land your first job. Speaking of interview rounds, this could be anywhere from 4 to 6 rounds, and they don't all happen in the same week. Sometimes it's only one per week. So you could see where that adds up. But stay with me. I have one more thing I want to talk about before I give you the exact moment you should start applying to these jobs. And that's the skill versus experience paradox. You think you need experience to get a job, but you also need a job to get experience. So where do you start? Applying early can help you learn from real-world rejections. Look, you're not going to land your first data job with your very first few interviews. Trust me, it gets easier with every interview you do as you learn what to expect from those interviews. Recruiters often hire potential, not perfection, especially for entry-level jobs. I was nowhere near good enough as the other applicants. My hiring manager even told me so, but it was my attitude and my eagerness to learn that pushed me above the others. All right, now when should you start applying? The real question here. And it's actually sooner than you think. Start applying as soon as you have the basic grasp of your data tools, SQL, Excel, and a BI tool. Now, by doing this, you will start to learn what hiring managers or recruiters actually want during the interview process instead of guessing what to learn next. You're going to start getting the same questions over and over, and so that's going to help you hone in your answers for your next interview. That's why we should do our apply and learn strategy. So that is, while you continue to apply, continue to learn. And honestly, never stop learning so you don't forget anything during a potential technical interview. So for some words of wisdom, don't wait for one more project and don't wait for one more certificate. Apply now. Use interviews as free coaching sessions to refine your responses and skills. That's what I did, so I knew exactly what to go learn. And the worst case scenario, you gain experience in job searching, networking, and handling rejection. All of what you need for your next interview. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps more people see content like this. And if you're serious about breaking into data analytics, make sure you subscribe for more no-nonsense content like this. But hey, maybe you're still wondering if a career in data analytics is even right for you. If so, I got a video that breaks down just that. Click here and check it out.